Alright, you guys, you know what time of the month it is. It is time to clean off August tray and start with September's. I like this tray, but I'm not gonna lie, the last 2 weeks I was just kind of over it. Like, I was ready to pull out my gourmands. I have been wearing so many new fragrances and I'm just ready for fall. Not so much the weather, but for the scents. So yeah, it's time to clean this off and go ahead and start over with some gourmands. Alright, you guys, welcome to September's tray. This is officially fall month. Although fall does not start until the end of September, we are gearing up a little bit early. I will have fall fragrances on this tray because I'm ready for some warm, cozy gourmands, but I also will have other things on here as well for those still 90-degree days. The very first fragrance we are bringing to the tray is a new fragrance to my collection, and we're adding her on the tray for fall. This is Love Notes by Ariana Grande. This is Plush Vanilla. You guys, I love this fragrance so much. If you have not already checked out my review, I will have that link for you guys. But this is a really beautiful fragrance. It is soft but sexy, so feminine, so girly. I love it so much, and I am so happy to have this in my collection. She is going to be on multiple trays, I can already tell you guys now, but I love her and I wanted to go ahead and add her to the tray. Guys, this next fragrance is a eau de fragrance. It used to be a hit with everyone. The girls were going crazy over this for the last year or so. This is Vanilla Potion by True Fragrance. You guys can find this at your local TJ Maxx or Marshalls. It's really inexpensive. As can tell, my juices definitely darkened over time. It's a really nice vanilla fragrance. It's more of a soft vanilla. It's not overly gourmand. It's kind of almost like a fresh vanilla. I don't know, it's really nice, and I have not played with her in a while, so I wanted to bring her to the tray. You guys, this next fragrance is by Juliet Has a Gun. This is Lipstick Fever. This is one I always pull out during the fall, usually in October, November, but I wanted to pull her out a little early. I wanted to play with her a little bit. She's a nice raspberry scent, and she's kind of she's sweet but almost kind of clean at the same time. I don't know, it's a really nice fragrance. It's very unique and different, so I love this one and I wanted to pull her out. This next fragrance, I have not wore her in so long, but a couple years ago she was one of my favorites, and I feel like I haven't really shown her love in the last couple of years. But this is Billie Eilish. This is the original one. This is the only Billie Eilish fragrance that I actually enjoy. This is the large 3.4 fluid ounce bottle, and I feel like she needed to get some love. One that I love to pull out in the fall and winter. She's really nice. Another fragrance that hasn't been out in a couple of months, this is Vanilla Musk by Namat, and I really enjoy this fragrance. It's another very clean vanilla fragrance. It's not really gourmand. This is for days that I want to go walking or work out, and I just want to have something nice and soft on my body, but not too overpowering, not overly gourmand, because it's still in the 90s here. So sometimes I don't want to overdo it, especially during the day if I'm out. But I wanted to pull her out, and I'm thinking about if I should just go ahead and use her up this month. I'm not sure, but I do enjoy this one, and I do know if I do use it up, this is one I can see myself repurchasing in the future. Next one is another newer fragrance, which I also have a review on. This is Ellis Brooklyn's Queen's Caramel. Yeah, I love this one. This one is also another fragrance that you will see on multiple trays. This is such a good caramel fragrance, you guys. If you have not got your hands on this, what are you waiting for? She's amazing. I have worn her so much in such a little time. She has a little baby dent in her, but I already know it's going to be denting over the next few months, so I couldn't wait to pull her out. Then we have my next three fragrances are going to be by Kayali, you guys. Y'all know how much I love my Kayali. We're gonna start with an original. This is Kayali Vanilla 28. This is one of my original Kayali fragrances. Look how dark this juice is, you guys. Like, you cannot even see through the bottle. It's so deep and so dark. It's such a good, sexy brown sugar fragrance, and I feel like I love this one to wear alone, but she's a great mixer. I mix her with so many things, so of course I had to pull her out and put her on the tray. She's almost empty, and I'm trying to debate if I should be buying a new one. Another Kayali that I have not worn in a while is Vanilla Candy Rock Sugar. This one I seem to only pull out during when it's a little bit cooler, and although it's not really cool, I don't know, I was kind of craving her. It's been a while since I played with her, and I just wanted to bring her to the tray and show her some love, so that's what we're gonna do with this one. Alright, you guys, and then the very last Kayali is definitely one of my favorites as well. She's no stranger to the tray. I mean, look at her. This is Kayali Young Bougie Marshmallow. I love this one. Top 5 for life. She's halfway empty. I'm debating if this is one that I need a new bottle of. I do have a couple dupes, but I really wanted to just pull the real deal out. I also have been wearing her a little bit. I have the travel size in my bag currently, and this is also a really great mixer. I do wear her a lot of the time on her own as well, but she's a great mixing fragrance, and I don't know, I just wanted some fluffy marshmallow. These next two fragrances are again no stranger to my tray. Both of these are by Burberry, and this is a Burberry Her. This is the Elixir. Y'all know how much I love the original Burberry. It's one of my favorites, but the Elixir swooped in and stolen my heart. I love this one, and I was just kind of craving some strawberry creamy fragrances, so I wanted to put her on the tray. And I'm also actually bringing the newest one to the tray as well, in a Tints version, and I just wanted to bring them both out before it gets too cool to be playing with these. I mean, wear what you want when you want, but these are some of my favorite spring and summer fragrances, but I just was really craving some strawberry, so I wanted to bring these out on the tray before it got too late and just play with them just a little bit more before winter gets here. The last fragrance that I'm going to be bringing to the tray is again no stranger, but it's been a while. This is Daisy Love Pop by Marc Jacobs. Literally my favorite Daisy fragrance ever. This is literally the only Daisy fragrance that I own currently, and it's one of my favorites. Like, I think they discontinued this one, but this one is so good. Y'all know it has like a pistachio note in here, so it gives a little bit of floral, but like with some gourmand. It's just very beautiful. It's different, so I had to bring her to the tray. It's my September tray. Now, normally I show you my body care, but I haven't put my body care on my dresser yet. I do have a little bit. There's a little sneak peek at some of my current body care on the dresser, and then I do have a couple of things over here. So over here, you know, I have my oils and things. These are a lot of my oils from Devon Scent by Shannon, you guys. I think I talked to you guys a long time ago. My dress is dirty, I'm sorry. I talked to you guys a long time ago about her products, like her oils. They are amazing. I need to order some more. She has some new updated packaging, so I want to do that. There's things over here. I only have a few things. I didn't put too many things over here. So I have my Plush Vanilla because I keep a travel size on me. I have All Eyes on Her, which is a dupe for Burberry Elixir. My Brown Girl Jane. This is Casino. I love that. I do want a full size of that. These are two Skylar fragrances. So we have Sweet Nothings, Banana Candy. Then I have my Seven Virtues. This is Clementine Dream. I'm debating on taking her out, but we'll just leave her in for now. I also have my Rare Beauty fragrance, and then the last thing I have in here is Fleur's Missing Person. I kind of want to try that out. So yeah, my tray for September. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will talk to you guys in another video. Bye guys.